So reggae boy Leon Bailey wake up the ants nest by saying that only the Jamaica Football Federation can get in the way of the current team qualifying for the World Cup, but he never wanted to get into details. Well, the Maverick are going to get into the details. My information is that the main contention is that the players are still owed money by the JFF. Remember now, the players almost went on a strike during the Gold Cup last year in order to get some of what was owed to them by the JFF. And having played some 6 or 7 games since the Gold Cup, they have gotten no match fees. And this is not sitting well with the players. So what Bailey was saying, and never was said, was that if the JFF don't sort out their business and look after the players, including paying what is promised to them, then trouble are go dead. I put it even further. In this, a World Cup qualifying year, outside of paying what is owed, the long-time best practice is that monetary incentives are offered to the players. We know the JFF will say they don't have no money, but this senior men's team doing well in the qualifying campaign remains the lifeblood of the entire national football program. So that must be the top priority of the JFF right now. And know that the general football public understands better what Leon Bailey was saying. We just hope and pray that Mr. Ricketts and the JFF understand as well.